As of November 15, 2024, there have been no official announcements or credible leaks regarding a Samsung Galaxy A37. The most recent models in Samsung's Galaxy A series are the Galaxy A35 and A36, both released earlier this year. The Galaxy A35 features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, and includes a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor. The Galaxy A36, on the other hand, is rumored to have a 6.6-inch display and a design that deviates slightly from Samsung's recent design language, featuring a camera module around the rear sensors. Given Samsung's typical release patterns, it's possible that information about a Galaxy A37 may emerge in the coming months, but as of now, no such details are available.